To draw a straight line inside Adobe Photoshop, I'm using Photoshop 2018 version 19. Okay, to draw a straight line, let's use the brush tool, or we can use the next one, which is this one. If you right click on it, you can see the line tool. So let's try with the brush tool. Make sure the first one is selected. Okay, and hold down the left click of your mouse. Now hold down the shift key and then drag to the right. Notice that you can move the mouse up or down and the line is still straight. So once again, left click, hold it, hold shift also, and then drag. If you do it vice versa, first the shift and then the left click, then it's connecting the first line with the line before. So first the left click and then shift. Okay, you can draw vertical lines also. Left click, shift and drag. Okay, you can modify the thickness of the line from here. This one, the size, and you can make it softer. Let's say with this one, hardness. So let's try that one. Left click, shift and drag. That's the hard line. And that would be the soft line. Left click, shift and drag. Okay, now let's use the next tool, this one. U is the hotkey. If you right click on it, select the line tool. Now here, hold the left click. Now it's creating a line automatically after your cursor, and notice that it's moving in any direction. And now if you hold the shift key, it jumps to horizontal. Okay, so once again, left click, you can drag this one, then hold down the shift key and it will lock it. It will lock it also to vertical and to 45 degrees. So drag it to the right, release the shift and the mouse, and that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye. By the way, you cannot modify the thickness of this one after you already created it. So if you use this one, you can change the thickness here at weight. Let's say 10, press enter, and then draw the line. Now it's a straight and thicker line. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.